Hello, welcome to Tech Genius's channel. Today, I'm gonna answer some tech questions that were on my comments for my video. And I call it Tech Questions 1 because it's the first one I'm gonna be doing, and you can't lose track of them because I'll put numbers. My first question, how can I hack my sibling's computer? Well, that's kind of advanced, but I know how to do that. First of all, you go to your sibling's computer, go to command prompt. This is on C, local disk C, users public. Doesn't matter what part it is, whatever user it is, whatever. On theirs, go on IP config. For IP configuration. I'm disconnected from the internet, but when they are connected to the internet, you can just see their IP address. Okay. When you're done with their computer, go back to your computer. Go on shutdown -I. That's code for remote shutdown dialog. Here in the computer's box, you press add and then put in their IP address. What do you want these computers to do? Restart or shut down, you put it. If you want to warn them, there will be a text box saying something. If you don't want to warn them, it won't warn them. It will just shut off. And here, this field is required. Okay, then you write something. I don't know, for example, and that will appear in the text box. Then you press OK. And now I'll just press cancel because I don't have anyone in my network. Okay, so that's all for the first question. Alright, second question. Is Microsoft Security Essentials a good antivirus or not? Microsoft Security Essentials, I would say, is a great antivirus for Windows. Of course, for Mac, it won't even load up. But for Windows, it's an amazing antivirus. Another person said, I have Windows XP and I want to upgrade to Windows 7. What kind of Windows 7 should I get? Well, that's just the software and it depends on your hardware, what operating system it's best to upgrade to. Mostly if your computer's CPU is around 2.66 gigahertz or 2 gigabyte RAM. I know from experience that Windows 7 Enterprise would make it slower, a little slow. Okay, next. How does Linux work? The operating system Linux, you basically have to make everything, your own updates. There's no Windows update, your own antivirus, your own anti-hack. Everything's made yourself. How can I get to my PC to be a Mac? Well, Mac is kind of specificated. So you have to change some of your hardware to match to go with Mac. Now, this one says, I'm new with computers, but what is the difference between hardware and software? The difference between hardware and software is, of course, hardware is what's inside the computer. Software is the programs on the computer. Like right now, Microsoft Word is the software. And yep, that's all the questions for today. That's Tech Genius for you. And I'll see you in my next video. Leave comments below for questions in my next video. And if you want videos fast, subscribe. And that's it.